Children, Sairam. How very happy. See, so many happy faces now. All are happy? Great. So all are in very good mood. Excellent, children. Very nice of you. Okay, with the same jolly mood, shall we move on to today's session? Wow, excellent. Very good voice. So sweet. Okay, children. So today, shall we take our English workbook? Yes? Okay. But now I'll not make you write so much. Okay? Yes? Okay. Very fine, dear. Okay, we will write only bit. Fine? That's very sweet. Okay, child children, please take your English workbook. Just pencil. Not even eraser needed today. Yes. It's very simple task. We are going to play today. You're all ready? Yes? Okay. All taken? Okay? Okay. Now just keep it. Okay? Now take page number 5858. Yes? Yes. Please take page number 5858. Excellent. Very good. We are going to do riddles as orals today. Yes, children. Superb you are. Shall we play? You know what is riddle? Yes. First I'll tell you what is riddle. A riddle is one which is you have to identify what it is. Okay. I'll give you any information based on that. You have to identify what is that object or animal, place, name, anything it might be. You have to identify it. Okay. All are ready? Wow, yes. Do you like this? Ready? Yes, I'm so excited. Yes. Ready now? Shall we move on? Okay. Now, first thing, I will ask you, you are fine? See, I have two legs. I can fly. I can sing. Yes, I have two legs. I can fly. I can sing. My name begins with the letter B. Can you identify what it is? See, which can fly? It have two legs. It can also sing. Yes, just guess. Guess, children. Very nice. You have to guess. Yes. Yes. See here. What is this? Bird. Yes. What is it? It's a bird. See? A bird is flying. When it opens its mouth, it will sing. Yes, it have two legs too. Can you see legs? Yes, so it starts with the letter B. Perfect. So what is it? It is bird. Nice, na? Come, we'll go for the next riddle. Yes, I am round. I am big. I shine in the sky. My name begins with S. Just think, I'm round, I'm big, I shine in the sky. My name begins with S. Which is the one which is there in the sky with S? See, which is round in shape. What? Yes, someone told. Yes, it's perfect. It's sun. See, round, it is shining, it is big in shape. Yes, it starts with the letter S. Correct? Yes, it is sun. Wow, very nice. You're enjoying like this, na, children? Yes? Yes, I'm also enjoying. Yes, raise your hand if you're enjoying. Yes, I like it. Very good. Shall we move on to the next one? Yes, let me try. Who is going to do this? Okay. I am a baby dog. I have four legs and a tail. My name begins with P. Just use your brain. Use your brain. I'm a baby dog. What is it? Cool. What is this? Puppy. See? It is baby dog. Small in size. It's baby dog. Yes? Yes or no? Yes, it's a baby dog. Yes, have four legs. Can you see four legs? Yes, and a tail. Yes, na? So it begins with the letter P. What is it? It's pup. In short, we will say it's a pup. Okay, but we lovely will call as puppy. Yes, it should tell us P, pup. Okay, puppy. Yes, we all familiar with the word puppy. Correct? Both are same. Fine. We'll move on to the next one. Yes, see here. See the next one. I'm in your house. You turn me, water comes out. My name begins with T. Yes, you would have identified now. See, I'm in your house. If you turn me, water comes out. My name begins with T. What is it? Yes, children, you identify correctly. It's tap. See, when you open the tap, the water will come down. Correct? Yes, these types are called as riddles. You know now what is riddle? Perfect. Nice, na? Correct? Okay, shall we move on to the next one? Excellent. What is the next one? Now treat. I am very small. I have 4 legs. Cats run after me. My name begins with M. Just think what it will be. Yes, and I am very small. I have 4 legs. Cats run after me. My name begins with M. What it might be? Yes, can you try? Yay, here comes the answer. What is it? It's a mouse. See? Now can you see the picture? The mouse, cats run after me. The cats run after the mouse now. See? When it comes, it is also trying to reach. Yes or no? Now see the picture? Yes? Trying to catch na? Yes? Yes, the cats always used to try the mouse. Trap it. Correct? Good, very good. Shall we move on to the next one? Oh, who liked it? It's okay. Very good, dear. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Shall we move on to the next one? Yes, we have few more like this. We want to see that also, na? Yes, dear. Okay. See here. The next one. I have 4 legs, but I cannot walk. What it can be? I have 4 legs, but I cannot walk. Think, my dear children. What it might be? Yes, which have 4 legs, but it will not walk. Why? Yes, here comes the answer for you, my dear sweet children. It is nothing than a table. See, a table have 4 legs. Correct? Can you see? 4 legs. But it can't walk. Nice. Very good. I can see so many smiling faces today. Very nice. Na? You like it? Good. Very good, children. Very nice. You can see one more riddle now. Yes. I know many will try this. I fly, but I'm not a bird. Which is the one which will fly, but I'm not a bird? Which one is that? Any guesses? Yes? Okay. What it is? An aeroplane. See? Aeroplane is flying. Yes, but it's not a bird. Correct? Wow, good, na? Yes, an aeroplane. It is flying in the sky. Correct? But it's not a bird. Only birds will fly? No. So we have to think in this way. Okay? Now, you're going to try the next one. You carry me to school. You put your books in me. Children, you remember when you come to school, you'll have this. Your books will be in that. What is it? Yes, children. There comes my smart children. You're perfect. Yes, it's a school bag. It's a bag in general. Now we can say it's a bag. Okay? See, now for us, this is bag. Yes? Okay, when you go for the other classes and other thing, you carry that books also, na? So in common, we will say as a bag. Fine. See, books are inside the bag. Books, pencil, eraser, all are inside the bag. Yes? Yes. Very nice. Good, na? So, it will tell us bag. Okay? Chalo. We'll move on to the next. Yes, now try to read. I'm an animal. I give you wool. Children, yes, can you say what it is? You would have read this in GK also. Which animal gives us wool? Yes, children, what is this? Sheep gives us wool. We have read this in GK, right? Yes, we get wool from sheep. So, what animal? It's sheep. Understood? Yes. Yes. Feeling nice? Very good, dear. Shall we move on to the next one? See here. This is the next one. I live on the tree. I chatter. Which lives in the tree? On the tree. Yes, jumps from tree to tree. Very good. Who told it? Very nice, children. It's a monkey. See, it is jumping like anything. Correct? Monkey will always jump. Correct, na? It lives on the tree only. Jumps from tree to tree also. We all read this in GK, na? Yes? Yes. So, what is the answer? Monkey. So, if anyone asks, I live on the tree, can you identify that riddle means? And immediately we can say, yes, it's a monkey. Okay? Yes, fine. Shall we move on to the next? Okay. See, I'm round. You play with me. Children, you all know this. Just think for few seconds, you will know the answer. I'm round. You play with me. Matlab means what? You play with that. It is round and you will play with that. What it is? Excellent, sweethearts. It's a ball. You all love to play with the ball. Yes? Yes, we had played with ball. We always play with ball, na? During our playing period, games period. Yes? Yes, na? Yes, very good. Even now also you are playing, right? Yes, take safe excess care and play. Fine? Good, good. Okay. See, children, these are all the types of riddles. What it is, what we are doing is riddles. Okay, you have to identify it. Whatever it is, it will be given based on different, based on their characters, based on some theme on that. So, you have to identify what is that. It is called as a riddle. Okay, fine. Okay. See, now here comes one more. I am a fruit. I am long and yellow. Children, you all knows this. Yes, my children are very smart. They will know this. They will know this. What it is? A fruit. What fruit which is long and yellow in color? No, long. Yes, there comes. See, banana. Very good. You see, long, yellow, and it's a fruit. You can ask this also, children, to others. Okay? Yes. Very nice. You can restore this, and you can ask on your own also. Okay? This is different. You can use your own thing. You answer, you remember any fruit, and based on that fruit you can ask question to your parents also. Yes, you will do that. Great, great, my children. See, good. What is this? The next one. My mother is a cat. Oh, what is it? Whose mother is a cat? Yes, sweetheart, it's a kitten. See, baby cat. It is called a kitten. What it is? Kitten. See, it's small, simple. My mother is a cat. What it is? Kitten. Okay? Fine. See, you all like this cat? Nice? Oh, see, it is coming near to you now. Okay, nice. Very good, children. Now's the next one. I'm sweet. Bees make me. What it is? Think. Definitely you know this. I'm sweet. Bees make me. Bees means here what it is. See. What it is? Yes. See, honeybee makes what? Honeybee makes? Yes, honey. Correct. See, it is sweet. Honey is sweet. Honeybee makes honey. Correct? Wow, enjoy today's class. So sweet, children. See, you just have a read. Okay? If you can identify anything on this, please let me know, children. We did these 2 pages today. Great. Now we did 2 pages today. See, my children are very smart. Page 58 and 59 is done. Wow. Excellent, children. Great. Nice of you. Okay. See you soon, children. Take care. Bye-bye.